Hello and welcome to CMKG. In this video, we'll take a look at how to access your courses as well as some of the additional resources we offer. After purchasing a course from our store, you will receive instructions via email on how to create an account in our Online Learning and Resource Center. Once you've set up your account, or if you already have one, go to cmkg.myabsorb.com and enter your login information. This is the main learning dashboard. From here, you can navigate to any part of the site. Although not shown in this video, our site is mobile friendly, so you can do your training or access our resources on the go. Before we look at your courses, let's take a look at some of the additional resources we provide. Through the Learning Resources tile, you can access all of our learning resources. First, let's take a look at the resource library. Once inside the resource library, click Launch on the topic you'd like to learn more about. Then you'll be able to access white papers and articles, tips and tricks, solution providers, and digital media, all relevant to the topic you've chosen. Let's close the resource library and go back to our learning resources using the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now let's take a look at the Industry Glossary. In the glossary, you can search for industry terms and find their definitions, any relevant formulas, related terms, and CMKG courses containing more information about the term. Now, let's close the glossary and go back to the main dashboard using the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Next, click on the Student Webinars tile. From here, you can check the upcoming webinar dates and access recordings of past webinars. For the upcoming webinars, we release the dates at the beginning of the year, but don't announce the topics until a few weeks before as we try to keep it current and relevant. We usually choose our topics based on student or client suggestions. You can register for them in advance to receive updates and reminders. Also, we record all of our webinars and have them accessible to you below in the event that you missed one. Going back to the dashboard, we'll now take a look at the Support Center. In the Support Center, you can access all sorts of support materials, such as tutorial videos similar to this one, or scheduling tools to help you manage your time. You can also get additional support from anywhere on our site using the Get Help button, which is always on the right-hand side of the screen. Now let's show you how to access your courses. After returning to the main dashboard, click the View My Courses tile below. Once inside, your courses will be in one of two places. They will either be at the bottom of the page here, or if your courses are part of a program, they may be inside one of the blue ribbons above. Going back to the main course area, let's launch our first course, Category Management Overview. Now we're able to see the chapters for this course, which is where you'll find the training videos. On the left-hand side, you'll find the course-specific resources. A resource guide is a workbook designed for you to read through and fill out as you watch the videos. The workshop is an exercise that you will be asked to complete at the appropriate time during your training video and is designed to help you solidify your understanding of the subject matter. Before you start your training videos, it's important to download the resource guide and workshop as well as any other reference materials in the resource folder, depending on the course. Now let's watch one of the chapters by clicking Launch. If you stopped watching halfway through the video, you'll be able to pick up where you left off. If you select No, the video will restart at the beginning. The video will start playing automatically, but you'll have to click the Next button to advance each slide after it finishes playing. Make sure you have an audio device connected so that you can hear the narration. You can revisit any of the slides at any time by selecting the Previous button or by selecting the name of the slide in the outline. As I previously mentioned, our courses contain workshops. They average one per chapter and are exercises to practice your learning. The workshops will not be graded as it's an independent exercise. You can do it when you are prompted in the chapter or at the end, but we do recommend you complete them as they are designed to practice and solidify your learning. While you are watching the videos, you may encounter a slide such as this one. This slide will give you instructions on how to complete the workshop. Afterwards, the following slide will help you review the workshop and go over your results. Also, at the end of each chapter, there is a knowledge check. A knowledge check is just a short quiz designed to help you gauge your understanding of the course material. It's not graded, and you will get multiple attempts to complete each question. Once you've completed the chapters, you can take the exam. You'll have 3 attempts, and the passing grade is 80%. If you have any issues, contact us at support@cmkg.org. At the end of the course, you'll find our course evaluation survey. This is not mandatory, though we strongly recommend you complete it, as your feedback allows us to constantly improve our courses and keep the course material as relevant and up-to-date as possible. Enjoy your training, and thanks for choosing CMKG.